Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Wispr Flow. To get started, open the Wispr Flow app. Once the app is on your screen, take a moment to look over the main interface so you can get familiar with where the tools and sections are located. This makes the rest of the walkthrough much easier to follow and helps you understand how the different features connect within the app. Next, click on Dictation. This is the area designed for voice-based input, where you can speak and have your words captured more efficiently. If you plan to use Wispr Flow regularly, this is one of the most important sections to get comfortable with, since it supports faster input and can help streamline your workflow. After that, click on Note Taker. This section is useful for organizing spoken or captured information into notes. If you're using Wispr Flow during meetings, brainstorming sessions, or while collecting ideas quickly, the Note Taker area can become a central part of your process. As you explore it, pay attention to how the layout supports keeping information in one place. Then click on Insight. This part of the app is intended to help surface useful information from your content. Depending on how you use Wispr Flow, Insight can help you better understand or review what has been captured, making it easier to work with your material more effectively. From there, click on Dictionary. This section is typically where you manage custom words, preferred terminology, or app-recognized language details. It can be especially helpful if you use industry-specific vocabulary or want the app to better recognize certain terms over time. Next, click on Snippets. This area is generally used for short pieces of saved content that you may want to reuse. It's a helpful feature when you need to repeat common phrases, responses, or text patterns without recreating them each time. Now click on Style. This section relates to how your output is shaped or presented. If you want your content to follow a certain tone or formatting preference, this is an important area to review so the app can better match your communication style. After that, click on Transform. This feature is typically used to adjust or convert content in useful ways. As you explore it, think of it as a tool for refining what you've already created and making it more suitable for your needs. Finally, click on Scratchpad. This is a handy space for quick thoughts, temporary content, or rough drafts. It's a good place to capture ideas without worrying about perfect organization right away. That's it for this walkthrough of Wispr Flow. As you move through each section, take your time and explore how each feature supports your workflow.